Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Canadian Workshop. Today, I'm going to be working on a still weed trimmer that I picked up from a local dollar auction. It does have a cracked gas tank, but that's a quick fix, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. For this repair, all you're going to need is a soldering iron, a set of drill bits, a drill, and a number 2 recyclable bottle cap. Now, if you look inside, if I could zoom in here, you'll see it says number 2 recyclable, and it's got to be number 2. So this is our still weed eater here, and you can see it's got a hole here in the tank. It was a crack at one point, I guess, and it just got worse. I am going to replace this whole tank here soon, but I just thought I'd show you how to quickly fix a hole or a crack like this. It's not that hard. First thing you're going to want to do is grab some sandpaper and just rough up the area where the crack is, just to make sure that the plastic adheres well to the gas tank. You want to make sure you get off any oil or gas that's still sitting in that area. You could also wash this with acetone if you wanted to. But like I mentioned, this is just a temporary fix. I am going to order a new tank for this. They're only about 20 bucks. So once you have that sanded down, what you want to do, and you can see there's cracks here that go up. Now, with any kind of plastic and metal, a crack will always look to keep going. So what you want to do is grab a very small drill bit and just drill the end of that crack, just to keep it from spreading. There. Now with those holes drilled, the plastic will no longer want to keep cracking along the line that it started already. So that'll keep it from getting any further damage that way. Now the next step is to take the soldering iron, which I've already heated here, and just melt the plastic a little bit. We're just going to melt the plastic back together, just to start the process of sealing up this hole. I've seen some videos where they just remelt the plastic back together. That could work as well as a temporary solution, but I'm going to go one step further and add in some more HDPE on top as a filler. And again, don't use zip ties, use a number 2 recyclable plastic. So I'm just going along the edges here and melting the plastic just so it sticks together. So we've got the edges of the cracks melted together, so it won't try to open up again. And then I'm just going to take some of the HDPE and just fill in these gaps here where I've thinned out the plastic. Now, it goes without saying, make sure to empty the gas tank first before you start doing this work on there. You don't want to do this on a full tank of gas. That wouldn't be a good thing. So I'm laying down this HDPE on top of the area that's damaged, and I'm just melting the HDPE, melting the plastic into the gas tank, and just melting the original plastic and the HDPE together. And to cut it off, I just heat it. There you go. And just basically just want to feather this out, melt it into the area that's been cracked. And make sure to cover all the cracks that are there. Being the same type of plastic, this plastic will fuse together and it won't peel off like you'll see if you ever did this with a zip tie. Once it cools down, you get a little shock, the zip tie will just peel off the plastic. These two types here will bond together and give you a permanent bond. You could always make yourself a flat tool to add to your your soldering iron so you have a flat surface like a spatula kind of thing to pry up against or to push up against with the plastic to melt it down nice and even. But this works just fine. There you go. That's how easy it is to fix a gas tank on a small engine. Remember, number 2 recyclable plastic is HDPE, same as the tank. So thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. We'll see you on the next one.